Samsung fans, get ready. There's a buzz in the tech world about the highly anticipated One UI 7.0 update. While Samsung hasn't made anything official yet, some fascinating details have surfaced about the release timeline and eligible devices. If you're eager to find out whether your device is included or curious about what's ahead, we've gathered some key insights into what could be Samsung's roadmap. Let's dive in. It looks like the Galaxy S24 series will be at the forefront of this rollout. Rumor has it that the first public beta for One UI 7.0 could kick off as early as December's first week. However, this won't be a global launch. The initial release is expected to be limited to select regions, so not everyone will have immediate access to the beta program. Shortly after, the Galaxy S23 lineup might join the action, the speculation pointing to mid to late December for its beta availability. Now here's the catch. The beta phase for One UI 7.0 could be quite extended. Reports suggest that it might last for 2 months, which means we may not see a stable release before February 2025. That's a bit of a wait, but if Samsung uses this time to refine the experience and iron out any bugs, the final product could be worth it. What about older devices? Well, the Galaxy S22 series is likely to be part of the beta program, though this isn't confirmed yet. Unfortunately, owners of the Galaxy S21 will probably miss out on beta access entirely. That said, Samsung is known for updating its devices regularly, so even if beta access is unavailable, stable updates could still come later for eligible models. Let's not forget Samsung's innovative foldable devices. While details are still sparse, there's speculation that some of these models might also get a chance to test One UI 7.0 during the beta phase. It would make sense for Samsung to include its foldable lineup, given their increasing popularity and demand for cutting-edge features. Looking even further ahead, the Galaxy S25 series is rumored to debut with One UI 7.0 pre-installed. If recent leaks are accurate, we might see the Galaxy S25 unveiled on January 22, 2025. This timeline would align perfectly with the stable rollout for existing devices, creating a seamless transition into the next chapter of Samsung's ecosystem. Of course, as with any leaks or rumors, it's essential to take this information with a bit of caution. Samsung has a track record of making last-minute adjustments to its plans, so nothing is guaranteed until the company makes an official announcement. There's plenty to look forward to in the coming months. Whether you're eyeing the beta release or waiting for the stable version, One UI 7.0 is shaping up to be an exciting update. From its potential rollout to its impact on Samsung's flagship and older devices, it's clear that 2025 could kick off with a strong start for the tech giant. Stay tuned as more details emerge and let us know in the comments which features you're most excited about or what device you hope will be included in the beta program. Let's keep the conversation going about Samsung's next big move. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.